I'm Ira Plater. This is Science Friday. We're talking about sleep with Dr. Chris Winter, author of The Sleep Solution. Something that we've been talking about, not getting full 7 hours, all different kinds of things. And what we haven't gotten into is this whole idea that your brain needs to sleep. To do housekeeping or whatever it's doing. And we've always heard about REM, rapid eye movement sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep, number one, are you not getting enough of that? And two, do you need enough of that?
Absolutely. So it was interesting. I remember being in medical school and a professor saying, we were talking about the lymphatic system, which kind of removes waste from our body. And he said, but our brain doesn't have one. And I remember thinking the most important organ in your body doesn't have a means of getting rid of waste. And what was interesting, they never found it because when you prepared a cadaver, it made it very difficult to find. So it was only recently that some researchers in Maryland found it. And they named it not the lymphatic system with an L, but the glymphatic system with a G. So the glymphatic system operates like the lymphatic system to remove waste products from our brain. The biggest one being a protein called beta amyloid, which is actually the main constituent of plaque in Alzheimer's disease. So that's great, really interesting, kind of makes sense. The universe is suddenly adding up now. And what's really cool is that this glymphatic system's pumping ability is something like 10 times better when we sleep than when we're awake. So it was this great, sort of discovery that lined up with this idea that we've always known that people who don't sleep well tend to have more issues with dementia. And now we have this, this elegant explanation for why that is probably the case.